This is an emergency broadcast bulletin from the Utah Department of Public Safety. We are receiving countless reports of an unidentified threat causing chaos to the Sunset area. People are reporting an entity roaming the streets of Sunset, going into people's houses and brutally murdering them. This entity can be identified as being 6 foot 7 inches tall, has biological impossible physical features such as a very wide smile. He is famous for saying 6'7" during a basketball game back in March 25, 2003, a newspaper article shows the entity spying on residents at the window, which is shown here. If you spot the entity, get in the most secured part of your home, do not make a sound, and do not approach the entity. If you're somehow come across the entity, do not interact, just run away. This concludes this broadcast of the Utah Department of Public Safety.